A tropical rainforest biome contains approximately 50% of the world's plant and animal species, yet it covers only 2% of the world's surface. This amazing wildlife diversity in such a small area makes a simple hike through the jungle a trek filled with a wonderful array of colorful species that crawl, fly, creep, climb, and swing through the forest around you. The rainforest consists of 4 major levels. The first, called the Emergent Layer, is the topmost portion of the rainforest and consists of a few trees that grow to be almost 80 meters tall. The next level is the Canopy. That is the thick roof that envelops the rainforest and consists of vines, branches, and foliage that block out the sunlight from reaching the forest floor. The Understory Layer consists of trees that grow to approximately 12 feet in height. This is due to the lack of sunlight that is blocked by the canopy above. The lowest level of the forest is the forest floor, and it consists of small plants such as moss, ferns, and other such low-lying plants that can survive with virtually no sunlight. Tropical rainforests have an average temperature of over 20 degrees Celsius and are very humid due to the 250 centimeters of rainfall that the rainforests receive annually. This significant amount of rainfall is due to the rainforest location near the equator, the area on the Earth that receives the most direct sunlight. The sun's warmth heats the water in the 2 oceans, Pacific and Caribbean, that border this biome and causes large amounts of evaporation, and in turn results in large amounts of rainfall that play an important factor in rainforests. When planning a trip to this magnificent biome, you must be prepared for the rainfall that accompanies rainforests, but also the heat and humidity. This means packing a waterproof raincoat, sandals, comfortable shoes, long pants, shorts, t-shirts, and sweaters are all strongly recommended items. Also, due to the thick canopy and understory, sunscreen is not necessary, but should be included when packing in case of any clearings or open river areas in the jungle. In the rainforest, both plants and animals have adapted to this biome in many unique ways. For example, the animal life here tends to place much more effort into attracting mates than anywhere else in the world, due to the abundance of food and water. This is demonstrated in the animals' vibrant colors, fascinating patterns, and unique loud calls. Also, due to the colossal amount of rainfall that the tropical rainforest biome receives each year, plants have adapted to shed the water quickly and efficiently with their grooved or oily leaves so that water cannot weigh them down. Another example of an animal's adaptation is the monkey's tail that has adapted to grab hold of branches and vines for balance in order to travel through the forest safely. The rainforest is also very important to humankind. Over 120 prescription drugs are found only in the trees of tropical rainforests. For example, the tropical plant periwinkle is one of the world's strongest anti-cancer drugs, as vincristine is extracted from this rainforest-dwelling plant. Even though the rainforest is so important to humankind, over 78 million acres of rainforest are disappearing every year. That's almost 2 acres of tropical rainforest in this biome being destroyed every 2 seconds, gone forever along with all of their plant and animal life within them. The reason for this destruction is logging and the clearing of land for farming, along with the very relaxed regulations that limit them. There are many activities available for anyone looking for some adventure in this biome. Whitewater rafting and kayaking are both extremely popular in the wild and scenic rivers that flow through the heart of the rainforest. The mountainous terrain and thousands of forest trails make the jungle an ideal place for mountain biking and hiking. The guide is strongly recommended for both activities. Horseback riding in the tropical rainforest is also very popular, as you could ride through pastures, along country roads, forest trails, and rivers. All of these activities are environmentally friendly and do not interfere with the biome's natural life cycle. The beauty, majesty, and timelessness of a rainforest is indescribable. It is impossible to capture on film, to describe in words, or to explain to those who have never had the awe-inspiring experience of standing in the heart of a primary rainforest.